Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we talk about using ChatGPT on the Apple Watch. And as you know, there isn't really an official app for the watch. If you look it up in the App Store, no luck there in terms of Apple Watch apps. But that's okay because they're a way to make the GPT work directly on the watch. It will just require a bit of setup. So let's get into it. So what we can do is that we can set up a Siri shortcut for the Apple Watch, which will answer our questions from ChatGPT. At first, make sure you have the Siri Shortcuts app downloaded on your iPhone. It's free and available in the App Store, so make sure you do that first. Then, in the description of this video, you can find a link to Siri Shortcut. You need to just click it on your iPhone and add this shortcut to your downloaded shortcuts available on the device. You can also check it out and see the functions it performs. It's pretty simple, nothing besides listening to your question and answering it using the GPT answer. And now this shortcut might be set up for the Apple Watch. For example, if you have the Apple Watch Ultra, you can choose the action button to be able to activate this shortcut directly. Or you can use the Apple Watch Shortcuts app that's available among all of your regular apps, so you can just go directly into it and tap on the new shortcut. Another option is to just use Siri and just mention the name of the Siri shortcut, and Siri will activate it as well. Now, through this shortcut, you may ask some questions that you want to ask ChatGPT, and the shortcut will fetch the information. It'll fetch the answer from the internet, from ChatGPT, directly to your Apple Watch. It might work better for some answers, and there might be some issues with it, as with everything, and that's why I included a bunch of Siri shortcuts in the description of this video, just so you can try out some different ones if they don't work properly. Anyways, that's it for me. I hope you found this video helpful. For more questions and insights, use the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.